So the Benjarong, Benja is meaning 5. Rong is we used to call a Chinaware. And this is a unique Chinaware was created, invented in Thailand. And when we talk about this kind of unique ware, of course food is come with it. So Benjarong is a name that's been selected by Dusit. And Benjarong now become a unique restaurant for all the Dusit brands. Personally, I know Dusit since I was young. And it's an honor to be in Dusit and also to lead the Benjarong kitchen.
Sa linggo-linggo nating paglalakbay para makahanap ng bagong lugar kung saan may masarap na pwedeng food trip destination, sa Davao tayo dinala ng ating mga paa at dito may isang food establishment na nag-o-offer ng legit Thai food experience gamit ang mga local ingredients. Lasang-lasa mo ang Thai flavors dahil ang kanilang chef ay isang Thai national. At ang kanyang masasarap na putahe ay matitikman sa Benjarong Bar and Restaurant sa Dusit Tani, Davao.
When the young kids in Thailand, you start with the drinking and you make this you call pollutant. Right. And they said, I make better. So I try out to learn it professionally. So I put myself as a trainee, start as a steward, and become a cook. For us as a chef and come from Thailand, we want to be able to showcase our food. And we want to influence people to know it's not just only the food that is supposed to be tasty. It also should be that it's good for your body.
Okay.
Right? So how to make other nationality to eat our food, we have to adapt to wherever we go. And of course, if you talk about Benjarong in Davao and Benjarong in Manila, it's completely big different.
Yeah.
Benjarong in Manila, Chef Ja, she's doing a great job. And don't forget, there's already like 18 years of experience in the Philippines. And we are just a baby or elementary. So a big gap. And of course, we need to understand what is the local looking for.
So basically, the vision here is to provide a Thai experience through your food, but not necessarily pushing with the authenticity part, especially when the purists would come after us saying that for you to say a cuisine is authentic, you have to source the ingredients where the cuisine is from. So that's basically where you tweak the idea. So Benjarong is a Thai experience with Filipino ingredients.
In different places, it's different requirement for the customer. And here, my majority of customers are more family-oriented. So the table is quite big, and the food it should be good for sharing, and the taste should be somehow authentic.
With the flavors of Filipinos bringing in Thai cuisine, were there any challenges that you faced?
The challenge could be the spicy level. They cannot take the spicy level the same that we used to do, but that's not the big deal. The big deal is that sometimes the herbs that we put on the plate, except like coriander, or
not everyone is bringing,
or lemongrass that we eat raw. They will like cook, or vegetable that we eat raw. They like it to be cooked. So I have to try to think and stimulate which dish they would respond well, like papaya salad.
Papaya salad is.
Everything is raw. There's 3 different regions. Here would be a northeast of Thailand, the papaya salad. So this will go along with papaya salad.
Papaya salad. All right.
And you will have the sauce here. These are common. It's made from tamarind and roasted rice and herbs. And this one, I'm using the local mango, the ripe mango, to make a sweet and sour sauce.
The tamarind sauce is the bomb, man. Another thing that is very common here in the Philippines, but we don't utilize it like this. For tamarind, especially the ripe ones, we'd either just make it sweet so that we can snack on them. We don't use it as condiment. Because that's one of the examples that I'm stressing out so that we can learn how to expound on the all the usage that we do, on the available ingredients that we have. And even like the mango dip that you have here, we don't do that as often. I'm just stressing out on points that we as a Filipino, especially myself as a culinary artist, that we can adapt. Because the philosophy of your flavors, of your cuisine is something that we can definitely also copy in a way, so as to elevate or to transform the Filipino dining experience.
Habang napapasarap ang kwentuhan namin ni Chef Piya, ay hindi ko maaaring palampasing matikman ang mga nagsasarapang mga putaheng iniluluto niya para sa mga bumibisita dito sa Benjarong Bar and Restaurant.
Similar to laksa, most people here know laksa. But khao soi kai also is a very long history and mostly in the north of Thailand. So it's khao soi mean rice being cut. So we used to call this noodle as a cut rice. And it comes with similar to a curry with the crispy noodles, with the chickens, and of course there's a condiment of lime and chilies combined with it. The correct translation is shrimp, kung, pat is stir fry, prik is chili, clear is salt, so very straightforward. So shrimp stir fry with chili and salt, and of course with a little bit of seasoning, and you cannot go wrong with spring onion, coriander. So that's how basic ingredients of Thailand, and fried garlic, of course. Different presentation, different key of ingredients, because me also I responsible, and actually I love everywhere I go. I like to support a local farmer. So there's a lot of good farmer who produce a heirloom vegetable, produce cheeses, and it would be weird for people to know the Thai food to collaborate with the cheeses, but that is gonna happen soon.